How to add About Me to your profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open a VK and then click on your profile here. Now click these 3 points in the top corner and then click edit profile. Scroll down and click interests. Scroll down and click about me. Now just type anything you want here. And that's it. Don't forget to click this one here, this icon. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.